Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a video module in your Divi WordPress website. So let's log in into our website, and after that add wp-admin. Okay, next let's open front page. Now enable Fuel Builder. So you can see on the top of every page there will be this option. Okay, after that you will be able to edit and design anything. Now let's add a video module. Before that we can add a new section, then add a new row. Okay, after that now search for video. Here you can see this is video module. Click here, and after that here you can see by default there is a video. Okay, now let's click on the settings, then click insert from URL. So now here you can copy and add any of the YouTube URL. For example, just open a YouTube and then we can search and just copy this link. Here you can see copy link address, then add here, then insert into post. Here you can see we have added a video. Now scroll down, and after that here you can see overlay option. Now you can add overlay image. So this is just for example. Here you can see this is image, but it not have proper width or height. So make sure that if you want to add overlay image, that image will be great and in HD format. Okay, now let's delete, and after that you can also generate overlay image from your video. Here you can see thumbnail image is generated. Okay, now here you can add a background. Okay, after that go to design tab. Here you can customize play icon color. Here you can see by default white, so now it is brown color, and after that you can change the icon. Okay, and here you can see custom icon size. You can increase or decrease icon size, and after that you can customize overlay, then sizing, and after that spacing. For example, we can add some margin from the left sides. Here you can see images moving towards right. Okay, now scroll down, and here you can add a border. You can also round video corners. For example, we can add value here. Okay, so this is up to you according to your requirement. Now let's remove, and after that scroll down, and here you can add a border. Just we can add a border color and then add some width. Here you can see border is added to the video. Now let's scroll down, and here you can add border style, box shadow, then animation. So this is the animation for video module, and after that you can use custom CSS for the video module. Then after that click here three dots, then save. So this is the way to add video module in your Divi WordPress website. Let's refresh the page. Now scroll down, here you can see video is added.